Hi guys, welcome back to the crafting. Now we are going to make what?
A bird.
Yes.
Bird
a
with
bird.
wings. Bird has to have wings, right? Otherwise it's not a bird anymore.
Of course. That's funny.
Okay,
First
so
we'll need a square
yes, Origami loves square
and points.
and pointers, and there's one more small thing, creases.
Yes.
That help us to make everything perfect. So this is how we're gonna do it. We'll make it half like this. A triangle, big triangle touching from here,
Like
and we'll
this
cut it
big
off.
triangle, and then this part we are going to cut.
We'll cut it off so that it becomes a square.
Now this part you can use scissors, but we are using by hand.
Yeah,
doing
yes,
that.
I want to make it just perfect so that it becomes proper square. Somehow I get confused sometimes. Not confused, but sometimes there is some. If the pointers are not there, then it will not come the proper square. Let's see. Okay, point here, point there. So what I'm gonna do is mark it with the nail.
Now this part, this line that you made, we are going to tear it off.
Be careful not to tear the main page. I'll just do it 3-4 times. And
Done.
I'll make a
Now
small slit.
this thing we are not using.
Yes.
We will keep this aside.
Tear it slowly, slowly. Let's see. Come please. Oops. Come please, come please, come please, 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 please.
That's really funny.
Yeah, sometimes. And I think I got a square. Oh, thank you. And we'll move this aside. We don't need it.
See?
We'll work on this square paper now. So, as usual, we're gonna make it half.
Yes.
So let's make the pointers, 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 pointers.
Everywhere point, 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 point,
Point,
point,
both the
point.
points. And I'm gonna,
The most important thing in origami is points.
yes, so that it gives you the perfection that we want.
And perfection is the best.
Yes, so we have it like this. Oh, you already know. We
Now
need to fold it
this,
like
we
this.
have to fold it.
One side, and other side we're gonna fold it like this. So opposite sides. Not both this side, not both that side. One this side and one other side. Okay?
Yes.
So let's make a point here in this corner.
Then your result will be like one opening here, one opening here. And now here there will be a gap in middle.
Yes, you are correct.
And we just a second. Yeah, there will be this gap.
Oh, my point did not come proper on the top.
Now you
It's
have
important.
to do like this and then just stretch it out that it just becomes a
So we have it like this.
square.
Amazing. We just put it, flip it. See? You can make it like this. Interesting. Just make everything together here so that it becomes a nice point. And we'll flatten it out. Try to match it with all the sides. So we have it here.
Done.
Done. Wow. So we're gonna make some creases before we move ahead so that it becomes easier. In order to make some creases, you see this is the open side and this is the closed side. From the open side, what we're gonna do is make like this. From here Basically we are interested in this point, this one. Let's do from the other side also. So we got it like this. Okay. A little bit down. You got it? So we
Now
have it like
from
this.
other side.
From the back side also. Ultimately we're going to open it up, but yes, we need the creases to move ahead so that it's easier for us to follow ahead. This side and other side also. This side, here we go. Okay, done.
My paper got little bit torn,
It's okay.
but that's okay.
We'll open it from the both the side. We'll just open it. Okay. Now you can see this one, this point and point. You just make a small fold. Any side, this side or that side, doesn't matter. Or let's make it this way and then make it folded. It's easier. Without put it back, yeah, and then fold it. Basically, we are interested in the crease.
Now,
This side, and I'll make it the other side also. And open it back, everything. Try to follow with the points. This point should be proper, that point should be proper. I think you should fold it back first, then it will be easier. These two flaps, fold it inside and then make it. Okay, here we go.
it's a little rough.
That's fine, we'll just open it up. Open everything. Done? So we have it like this now. So the idea of doing all this, we wanted this crease, this triangle you can see here. This is what we wanted. What we're gonna do is from the open side, we will just take this first part, and along this crease, as you can see, along this crease, slowly, push it down from here, put a finger here, and put a finger there, and then push it like this. Okay? So it will become from top like this, and just flip it, turn it around. With the creases that we already made, it will be easier to make. Try to make a point here, and here we go. So we begin like this. Try to push some here, something. Yeah, moving fine. Moving fine. Yes. And let's do the other side also. Other side, we'll just flip it off, flip it over. Hold it from here. 2 fingers, I'm going to hold. With 1 finger, I'm going to pull it down, and it will automatically come. Push it here. This one. My point is here. My point is there on the top also. Like this, like this. And we have it. Yeah. Be a bit careful. It should not go over the line. It should go straight. Otherwise, it will not come up. You will not get the point there. You need to have a point here.
Can you do it?
Let's do the crease first. From here, the crease and the crease. So we'll make the points and And here we go. Let's wait. It's torn a little from here, but it's okay. Just make sure it doesn't torn from here. Okay. Okay, we're going good. So far, so good. Not very far from the ending. So we have got something like this.
Now it looks like a diamond that has something broken of it.
Yeah.
Broken diamond. A half broken diamond.
So the interesting part, what we can do, we can just you see there's something here and down. We're gonna flip it up. Like this. Okay. Flip up. So it will become like this. You can see? Anyway, I'm not flipping it up, I'm just showing it to you. Next we're gonna do is just move this, flip it side, this side, and flip it over, and from the other side also, this side. Okay, so basically the thing that was bulging out, it's here now. Right? So it shows like this. We've got two which are locked and this is locked. So what we're gonna do is we will pull this up and pull it up from the other side also. So it becomes kind of big triangle.
Or a half diamond.
Yeah, you may call it like that. Like this, something like this. As you can see, some shape is already taking. Oh, you're already ahead. What we're gonna do is pull one of the sides. There are two sides here, right? Two sides. I'm gonna pull both of
One
them.
will be the head, one will be the tail.
Yes, we're gonna pull little.
Did I do correct?
Yeah, we're gonna pull it up little. In order to do that, I think let's make a crease before doing it. So,
But I did it.
you did it without the crease. You are amazing. Let's pull this out a little. Maybe with little. You can see when I put it here, this thing. Try to make straight from here.
Then it should become like this.
You made it too far. It should come till the time it is straight here. You see this part? This becomes straight. And it comes like this. Right? And from the other side also, when you pull here, I'm gonna pull it. Gonna pull here. Pull, pull. Till the time this part comes straight in line. So it will look like a crown or something like that. And you can see there's a small V here. That will happen. So you see the difference between yours and mine is this line is straight. So you need to bring it up.
Wait, just this.
Yes, little more. Correct. Okay. So here you go. Next step is you will make.
Wait, my down thing did not come. Just down.
Yeah, it has to be down so that you get a small V or some pointer thingy here.
Mine is not down.
Yes. Yes. Yes, you got it. Take one of these, whichever you like, and I'm making a small beak like this. See, like this. I put it here down and push it inside. So here we go. This is the beak, and these two flaps, you done? You can make a shape also of beak a little. These flaps, gonna make it down halfway, and what we can do is move this up a little. So you open this little so that it will stand like this. This one. These two that we made earlier, we'll just push it up so that it stands like this and like this here. Now our bird can stand with the wings open. So here you go. This is my bird that can stand. Yes, just open it till the crease, and leave it open. Till end. It's okay. Till end. Till here.
Oh.
And you can open it back. So we can keep it and it stands. And this is my bird. As you can see, this is how it will be from, if you notice. And it can fly.
And there's one more part.
Wow.
That I like to put. These empty parts, I like to put glue on them.
Yeah, you can do that. But I like them to flap a little. Flap, 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 flap. Putch.
Hi.
Hi, this is my bird. Hi, let's make friendship, please.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let me just get my glue stick. Give me one moment.
Okay, you can get the glue stick. Meanwhile, I'm playing with the birds.
Okay.
Yes, so both the birds are good. As you can see, his beak is like this little. So what we can do, we can give it a little shape so the beak looks nice.
I'm done getting the glue stick. Let me close the
So
door.
it is more pointy. And this is also a little more pointy. Looks better. Okay, you can put the glue stick. And if you want, I can make the eyes.
Oh yeah. You make the eyes too then. I'll put the glue.
Okay, that's a good idea.
And then I'll make the eyes and then you'll see the surprise. That rhymes.
Okay, so I've got eyes that I would like to make. Simple, a dot, nothing great. Or maybe I can make a dot and small circle. Like this. And I'm going to make it here also, this side. Simple dot. And a small circle around it. Here you go.
I'm done with my glue.
And this is the eye of my bird, and this is how it looks.
Now we don't need this. I'm done.
Okay, so these are our birds.
See?
Nice. Thank you so much.
They land.
Yeah.
Backflip.
Wait. Wow. Let me see if mine does
Front
backflip.
flip. Up.
Oh, does not. Maybe it needs more practice.
Ah.
Okay, done.
Land.
Okay, bye.
Bye. And if you like the video, press the like and subscribe and put the notification bell on. Now, bye.
See you.